Finally, here again is the bottom trace is the input signal on V1A grid, and the other measurement here is, or the upper trace is from the output jack. You can see what this looks like. This is with volume on 3.5, all tone controls on 10, presence on 5. Again, if we adjust the position, you can see it's not in phase, and also the waveform on the upper trace looks a little bit skewed on the just on the top and bottom swings. See if we increase the volume, it gets worse. Increase the volume even more.